If you want to add weather widget to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, hold your finger on any empty space on your home screen. Now press widgets right here at the bottom and scroll down to your weather. Locate your weather, open it up. So here is the list of different weather widgets. Alright, now choose any of them. For example, you want to choose this one. Hold your finger here, press add. Now you can rearrange the size of it, of course. And basically that's how you do this. Also, you can hold your finger on it, press settings. So here you can rearrange the location. Right, you can rearrange the location which you want to see, or if you want to see your current location, right? And also you can see your full forecast. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.